As the pandemic continues, many of us are dealing with depression. Social distancing, isolation, staying at home, and lockdowns make it even harder to cope with symptoms of depression. Whatever your circumstances, there are always ways to overcome feelings of sadness and improve your mood and regain a sense of hope. Hi, I am Dr. A. Banerjee, and in this video you can find different scientifically proven tips to fight and overcome from depression. So keep watching. It will take a few minutes to watch up to tip number 1, but after watching it, it will worth your time. Recovering from depression isn't quick or easy, but always remember, you do have more control than you realize, even if your depression is severe and stubbornly persistent. The key is to start with small steps and build from there. You may not have much energy, but by drawing all your reserves, you should have enough to make the first step. So let's get into this. Tip number 4, reach out and stay connected. Getting support plays an essential role in overcoming depression. On your own, it can be difficult to maintain a healthy perspective and sustain the effort required to beat the depression. When you are depressed, the tendency is to withdraw and isolate it, so that connecting to even close family members and friends can be tough. You may feel too exhausted or to talk, or ashamed at your situation, or guilty for neglecting certain relationship. But this is just the depression that's talking. Trust me, just call the person you feel to talk. The person you talk with doesn't have to able to fix you. They just need to be a good listener. Someone who will listen attentively and compassionately without being distracted or judging you. Scientifically, research-based evidence has proven that if someone listens our feelings attentively and compassionately for just 3 minutes, our brain increases the secretion of hormone dopamine, the hormone responsible for nearly all the pleasurable experience. Scientists have also found that there's a close link between dopamine and how you experience pleasure, where dysfunction of the dopamine system might also contribute for developing bipolar disorder and schizophrenia. Serotonin, and another hormone, affects emotional processing, which can have significant effect on mood disorders and insomnia, as studies have shown that increasing serotonin might reduce the REM sleep. So the bottom line is, try to keep with social activities even you don't like to. Push yourself to do it and connect with the close ones you love to talk before. Next, tip number 3, do things that make you feel good. In order to overcome depression, you have to do things that relax and energize you. Just remember one thing, you are a winner. We all are winners from the day we born. From millions of sperm, we are single sperm that reaches to our mom's egg, and after months of journey, we have born in this world. So when as a single cell you can beat others in the race, why not now? Add fun activities into your daily schedule. You might be surprised in how much better you feel once you are out in the world. Even if your depression doesn't lift immediately, you will gradually feel more upbeat and energetic as you make time for fun. Do whatever you want. Pick up a former hobby or a sport you used to like. Express yourself creatively through music, art, or writing. Go out with your friends, take a day trip to a museum or mountain hiking, or go to the ballpark. Even you can create your own website store or an YouTube channel. Whatever things that makes you divert from the cause. Trust me, you will feel much better. Tip number 2, eat a healthy and modify lifestyle. Did you know that eating junk food or staying in dark room for a long time increases the symptoms of depression? First thing you can do is to minimize sugar and refined carbs. Next you can do is to boost your B vitamins. Deficiencies in B vitamins such as folic acid and B12 can trigger the depression. To get more, take a B complex vitamin supplement or eat more citrus fruits, leafy greens, beans, chicken and eggs. Along with this, you can take foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids. It has been scientifically proven in many times that omega-3 fatty acids plays an essential role in stabilizing mood. The best source are fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, tuna and some freshwater fish. Again, sunlight can help to boost serotonin levels and improve your mood. Whenever possible, get outside during daylight hours and expose yourself to the sun for at least 15 minutes a day. Double up the benefits of sunlight by exercising outside. Try hiking, walking in a local park, or playing golf or tennis with your friends or family members. If you do it for the next 14 days, you will feel much better, and many research papers has also support this claim. Now, tip number 1, challenging negative thoughts. Do you feel like you are powerless or weak, or your situation is hopeless? When these types of thoughts overwhelm us, it's important to remember that that is a symptom of your depression, and this irrational pessimistic attitude known as cognitive distortions. These cognitive distortions aren't realistic. When you really examine them, they don't hold up, but even so, they can be tough to give up. Now, few things that you can follow. Number 1, avoiding overgeneralization. Generalizing from a single negative experience and hold it true for forever. If you have this kind of tendency, you need to change it. Thinking that if this things happens to me on that day or that time, then it will happen again and again with me. And remember, each and every day is different, so that the time and the circumstances. If you have any bad moment, it doesn't mean it will going to happen again and again with you in your life. So please avoid the thought of generalization based on a single moment or day, or maybe some multiple events. Number 2, avoiding jumping to conclusion. Second most dangerous thought is making negative interpretations or jumping to conclusion without having any actual evidence. When you act like a mind reader, like he must think I am pathetic, or a fortune teller that I will stuck in this dead-end job forever, etc., you actually giving a negative signal to your brain, and based on that, different hormones plays their role, and suddenly you feel depressed. And if these things happen again and again, no antipsychotic drug can feel you good or help you to get out from your depression. So you have to work on it. But if you feel that your symptoms are beyond your control, or any one of your family members have suicidal thoughts or any violent symptoms, please take professional help. But don't forget about these self-help tips. Even if you are receiving professional help, these tips can be a part of your treatment plan, speeding your recovery and preventing depression from returning. And if you find this video helpful, like the video, share to help others, and subscribe the channel to get medical tips and videos related to different aspects of health and fitness. Take care.